Hello everybody, Stuart from Content Villain here. It's Friday, it's the end of the week, so I thought I'd give you a quick update on what we're working on and what we're sort of bringing to you very soon. It's been another incredible week with everything that we're doing at Content Villain. We've added a lot of custom models for users to continue to test. There's still a few more to come, so the backlog is getting smaller and smaller, and we're getting on top of it, so that is great. This weekend, we're really going to be pushing a lot of updates with regards to the UX of the web app. And we're going to be looking at improving the API documentation and pushing that live as well. I will show you a bit of what we're going to do. There is a lot to do, so hopefully we can get it all done. Let's get into it. So we have the web app like this. I should probably put myself over here because I want to show that menu in a minute. So one of the things that we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing pretty much all the pages with the models. We're going to be making it more uniform with the website and the darker theme that we have. We will have a toggle where you can make it light if you want to do that. So that is all to come. Another thing that we're going to be adding, and something that we're starting to implement right now, is we are saving every single input that you create using Content Villain. So whenever you fill in a box with an input, that will save. And what we're going to do with this is every single input is going to have a toggle on the right side of it. You can hit this toggle and it will load up all of your previous inputs. So if you're using multiple models back to back and you tend to use the same inputs, you can hit the toggle on the right side. You can see a list of all of your previous inputs with the most recent one at the top, and you can simply click it and fill in that box by doing that. So that is a way that you can speed up your workflows and stop writing the same stuff over and over. And I think it's a better version of pre-filled inputs than we've got here. So that's going to be rolling out. You're going to have a toggle on this right side. Click it. It's going to show you every single previous input that you have. You can then click the one that you want and it will fill in the box. So that is going to be very cool. Another thing that we're going to be doing, which I've just sort of been testing with business ideas, is we are going to revamp how these appear. We're going to make them look better, a lot better. The styling is going to be a lot better on them. And we're going to be doing away with the sidebar. Again, like this, we're going to have a toggle in the top corner, like the arrow, like this. You click on that arrow and you'll see an option to do each of these things. Click it and it will do that. We're also considering creating multiple entries, more than the 4 that we are doing at the moment. So this is to be determined, but there's no reason why we can't return 6 or more outputs. So this is something that's going to be coming. And finally, like we are saving all of the inputs, we are now going to be saving every single output. And every single output will have an ID. This is all raw and ready just from us testing, so obviously it's not going to look like this when we're done. It's just to show you sort of the idea. So you'll be able to click here and you're going to get this menu of what you can do with regards to re-rolling, send it to a webhook, all of that stuff. We're probably going to put the ID in that menu as well, where you can copy it by clicking on it. And you see that we have these IDs. So we've got this 30 string character on each of these. And this is very important because these IDs will be able to be got with the API. So you will be able to send a GET request to Content Villain, and you will be able to get any of the outputs just by sending a request with the API. So that's going to be super powerful as well. So this is a big, this is going to be a big change across all the models and making them more effective and easier to use. And it's going to provide a lot of value. The final thing that we're going to be trying to do this weekend is we want to fix up all of these right menu stuff so that everything works and everything looks good. So we're mainly focusing on fixing all of the generation pages and also fixing this right sidebar. And if we get all that done, we're going to be in a great place. So yeah, I appreciate all of your support, and that is the main focus for this weekend. We've had some pretty significant breakthroughs with what we're doing with regards to long form content and getting that out. I just wanted to implement a few of these changes prior to us pushing it on a page that we're not really happy with at the moment. So as soon as we get that done, as soon as this is uniform across all the pages, we're going to be pushing multiple more long form content creators. So that's super exciting to look out for. It's going to be a busy weekend ahead. I'm confident that we have the ability to do it. You may experience more updates being pushed over the weekend, and obviously every time we push an update, it does require you to refresh. So I apologize if you are in the middle of something and you notice this. We'll try and keep it to a minimum and push multiple updates at the same time. So we're only doing, we're not going crazy and disrupting you too much, but it might be a little bit bumpy, but it needs to be done. And I think once we have all of this done, we're going to be in a really incredible place. So yes, stick with us. Lots still to come. We're rushing through everything as quickly as possible, and trying to keep the quality high, obviously. Yeah, we're having lots of fun experimenting with this, and that's what it's all about. I think the way that we're working with these tools and the way that we're experimenting just puts us so far ahead of anyone else in regards to creating decent and useful models for you. So there is so much fun stuff to come. I appreciate your support, and yeah, thank you for joining the journey. Thank you.